Hey everyone, today I'm on the streets of Poznan, Poland. I forgot where I was for a second. And I am with Quinn today, who is our model. And we're going to be doing a little bit of an unconventional portrait photo shoot. So today I have my Sony A7IV and I have this monster of a lens, which normally I use for wildlife photography. You can use it for sports photography. This is the 200-600mm lens, and today we're going to be using it to do portrait photography. So let's go and shoot. So let's start here. And I'm going to have to be very far away. I'll try and yell loudly. Cool. And you can do the same kind of movement that we were doing before. Beautiful. That looks so cool.
The exact name of the lens I'm using today is the Sony FE 200-600mm f5.6 G OSS.
And then I'm going to go that way as well. I'll show you too. I might get you to stand just where Dan is if you want to swap.
This is my spot.
Swap places. Okay. Yes, that'd be cool. Okay, so I'm cropping at your thighs. That looks so cool.
When I do portrait photo shoots, I usually like using wide lenses like a 35mm, and the most telephoto I'll go is something like a 135 prime. Since this 200-600 is such an extreme telephoto range, it was a really fun and different experience to shooting with than I'm used to, especially in the city streets.
But it looks amazing though.
It looks so cool. It looks so pretty.
Aww.
I like that. I like the smiling ones.
Yeah, I definitely like that lens.
Yeah, it's like a very closed street. So if I go here, beautiful. Can we try over the shoulder here for one? Ooh, where are you there? Yeah, that's beautiful there. Lovely. Wow, that looks so cool.
During the beginning of this photo shoot, I'm getting used to what this focal length looks like and how to use my surroundings to suit the framing I'm working with. Even though we have a lot of compression, you can surprisingly see a lot of the location in the background, so I'm keeping an eye out on the lines and colors we have in the back to make sure they're not too distracting.
Could you face towards me, sorry, and kind of hug your arms? Yeah. Oh, yes. All right, beautiful. Oh, my arms.
Damn, that's a big zoom.
So much. I love that.
I love those. It's kind of like masculine, but
yes,
also feminine.
Yep. I was framing you with that black kind of door in the background too.
Ones are like shots from a movie.
Yeah, that's what it feels like to me too. I think it would be cool to try get a full body photo, maybe with you walking to the side. We're gonna have to be very far away from each other. I was thinking
On the white stripes there.
that's what I was thinking. Yeah. That's good. That's good there. Well, now I need to give her more instructions. Wait. I think it would be cool. So if you kind of walk to the light pole and then back out towards the road a little bit, if you could pace a little bit side to side, and I'll just get a bunch of action shots. Yeah, so kind of sideways. Okay, when you're ready. That's so cool. Amazing. Looks kind of cool when people are walking through the shot too. So good.
I took a mixture of full body and closer up photos here, but I ended up preferring the wider shots as there was more context to the location and where we were in the photos. The close-up shots had quite distracting bokeh since we have the umbrellas and cars in the background.
That looks so cool. It's just crazy, like there's some really, really cool ones.
Hello movie.
I know, right? It's almost like paparazzi looking. Should we do some just like posing? Oh, actually, let's change location. I want to do another full body one where we just like pose. Maybe down the middle of this street would look really cool. Just to make things even more difficult, we'll shoot on the road.
I love it.
This way, I think it's only one way.
I hope you'll tell me.
I will. I'll shoot like with like looking like this so I can see. Maybe just from here is good.
I'm so sorry about the loud construction noise, but I chose this next photo spot so we can be straight onto the building and have really straight lines in our frame. I also love the hint of pink and the wood color on the facade as well, not to mention the cute little light post in the background.
Hello. Yes, I think with like 1 foot up, you can see a little bit of the colored buildings. That's really nice. Yeah, I like you were kind of doing this a little bit where you just rest. Yeah, because I'm getting like a very close-up photo here. Yes, that's lovely. Yeah, I love that. I love those poses like, oh, I have a headache.
I love those too. I also am doing like all the time like this.
It looks really good. And then maybe let's try going in the middle of the street as well. Yes, there we go.
Something I noticed while doing this photo shoot is that it's quite difficult to keep your composition with a lens like this, especially when you're on the zoomed in end and your subject is moving around. Not only is the 600mm end a challenge to keep steady while capturing portraits that fill the frame, the OSS, which is the optical stabilization in the lens, also contributes to your composition slipping out of place. So I did do some cropping in post to get my final images with the exact composition I was after. I usually have a higher ratio of composed images straight out of camera when I use normal portrait lenses.
Lovely. And then do you want to try crouching like the way I am? You can kind of like... Beautiful. That looks so cool. Lovely. That's lovely. I'm going to move just a little bit this way. Lovely. I love that hand position.
Even though this lens and a focal length of 600mm is not generally something you would use for portraits, I really love the results we got and I wouldn't mind using it again for portraits. I would actually really love to try this in a park or a green location to see what kind of bokeh we could get.
I love those. Like, I don't want to stop shooting. So that is all I have for today's photo shoot behind the scenes on this 200-600mm lens on the streets of Poznan. Let me know which ones are your favorite photos down in the comments below, and if you'd like to see more videos like this with challenging and unconventional lenses. But as always, thank you so much for watching. I make new videos every single week, so I will see you all next time. Bye.